Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing your Mac's model number. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap on the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose About this Mac from the menu that appears. Your Mac's model number will be the second item on the list of info. As you can see, mine is MacBook Pro 14-inch 2021. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.